All right, guys, we are making a nice little Super Bowl appetizer. We have some wonton wrappers here, and we're going in, just sticking them in the middle here, kind of folding them in, folding them on themselves. There's a little hole in the bottom, don't worry about it. And we're gonna stagger them a little bit so we can, have plenty of room for them. We got an awesome filling to put in these. Now we sprayed down the bottom, we're gonna spray down the top. We want these to get nice and crispy while they're in the oven. We have the oven set at 350. Now we're gonna fill these bad boys up, these little spicy taco boats. We got some taco blend. We're just gonna put a little bit of cheese in these. Just a little pinch, because we're also gonna use another kind of cheese that you're just gonna love. It's totally gonna make this dish. So this on the bottom is gonna get nice and melty, build that little shell in there, right? And this taco season blend here is so good. Don't worry if some gets on the muffin tin. It's not a big deal. We got a little chorizo here, a little pork chorizo. We're just going in with a little spoonful. I've already cooked this. Just fried it up, cooked it all the way through. Even though it's gonna get some time in the oven, we wanna make sure these are cooked all the way through. Don't mess around with that pork. Guys. Just the smell of this chorizo is so good. And these little appetizers, they're insane. They're gonna be so dang good, especially when that crispy wonton shell gets going. We're gonna throw a couple black olives in there. If you don't want black olives, don't worry about it. You don't have to put them in there. But I like black olives in my tacos. So if I'm gonna do a little taco boat thing, little one bite taco, if you will, I'm gonna throw some black olives in. And last one. Piece de resistance, even though we're making something that's Mexican. All right. Sometimes you gotta get that dad strength out. You know what I'm saying, boys and girls? All right, we're just gonna take a little blop of that in there. Just another little spoonful. I love this Tostitos dip on, like, just grab a bag of chips and go to town on it. But come on. And these little crispy wonton shells with all the good flavor in there. What's up? Last one. Gonna add just a little bit more of that taco blend cheese over the top. Guys, comment down below. What's your favorite football, Super Bowl appetizer you like? Honestly, I think they should make the day after Super Bowl a holiday, because, most people have a little bit of fun on Super Bowl Sunday, and Mondays are a little bit hard for people. All right, y'all, these bad boys are ready to go in the oven. I have it set for 350. We're gonna go about 20, 25 minutes, just until you see those wontons nice and crispy and golden brown. But everything else obviously is already cooked in there. We just want everything melty, ooey gooey. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, we're out of the oven, all golden brown and bubbly. These things are looking too dang good. Got one more addition and we'll give them a try. Get a little pop of color on them, get a little green onions on. All right, there you go, there's the dish. Boy, that's hot. Let's get one of these bad boys out of here so you can check it out. Look at a little of that cheese on the side there. All right, let's get a bite. All right, y'all, we got our little nacho bowls here. Dude, these things are awesome. They're smoking hot right now too. All right, let's get a bite. Cheers, y'all. Oh. Guys, we got the creamy cheese on there. Spicy chorizo. The little taco seasoning cheese, sets it off. Guys, this is a perfectly awesome Super Bowl appetizer. Put a plate of these out. Guarantee you they'll be the first things to go. I'm gonna finish this up, because baby, it's good.